everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Today is a catch up with everything type of day. These are the days that I have things that have been lingering in the background and they really need the attention. So today is the day that I tackle them. So join me today. So first thing first, I'm going to remove my sofa. So basically what happens, my son spilled some milk the other day and some juice. It all went underneath and wiped it. There's just this lingering scent in the background, and I just literally felt like I need to just move the sofa, sweep up and just mop it all away. So that's what I'm just basically doing. As you can see, he's literally in the background picking up some things that he had dropped behind the sofa. So I try to have these days maybe once a month if I possibly can, if life is not too busy. This is just one way I ensure that everything is done, because I can't do it all, obviously, because I'm a mom, work, life, responsibilities. So I try to do this once a month if I possibly can, or when I have child-free days, and I just basically get on with the tasks that are lingering. So yeah, that's what I basically mean by a catch-up day. This is what I just do. I don't know what if anyone else does this. What do you guys call it? But for me, it's called a catch-up day. That's one task done. The next task is my pots and pans. They've just got this discoloration that I really dislike, and I'm just going to basically give them a deep clean. They're stainless steel pots, and I love them. I've had them for some time now and they work so well, but I hate it when they get so much discoloration. I'm going to be using the Power Paste from the Scrub Daddy. I actually like this. It works really well. Sometimes I switch between this or the pink stuff, so whichever one I can grab first is what I normally pick. But today I'm going to be using the Scrub Daddy paste. I actually really like it. It works really well on my pots as well. It works well on the cooker, surfaces around the kitchen. Yeah, so it's one of my favorite. Do you guys use it? Let me know in the comment section below if you have used it, if you like it. If you don't, let me know why you don't. Done. I'm now going to tackle my oven dishes. So I normally just pop these in the dishwasher, but they've got these marks, this burnt on food and things. I just don't like them either, so I'm just going to tackle them. Like I said, most of the time, if it's during the week, I really don't have enough time to be scrubbing away. So today is the day that I'm catching up with everything, and I'm using the pink stuff, and it works really well on these. Look at that. You can actually just see it all coming off. So one question I normally have when I'm talking to my friends is, when I've got a child-free day, why would I choose to be cleaning? I personally prefer to clean because I feel like it clears my head and I can concentrate, and I feel like I'm just cleansing away the stress. So my child-free moments, I just basically catch up on things that have been lingering for some time that require so much attention that I wouldn't normally do if I've got my kids around. So this is just the perfect way for me to do that. What does a child-free moment day mean for you? Do you guys go out, spend time with your friends? Don't get me wrong, I do that too, but on days where I don't have any plans, this is what, as sad as it sounds, this is what it is that I'm going to be doing. Not necessarily always going out, or sometimes I just want to be by myself. And this is what I do. But if I'm not doing that, I am out with my friends, spending some time with them, and yeah, talking about our children, because we're all mums as well, and it's just a nice catch up. I've come across this baking dish that my husband normally bakes on with, I guess is the word, and it's just become so discolored. I actually am thinking, if this does not get cleaned with the pink stuff, I'm actually chucking it away. So this is me trying to save it. Um, but it does not look like it's going to be saved, so I'm basically going to check it because I just don't like things like that. Probably too old now, or just too much discoloration. I'm not sure how I could have saved that. If you guys know, please let me know in the comment section below, or did I miss something? But I just find that if I can't clean it, I'm just going to chuck it. So that's what it, yeah, that's just basically what I'm doing. I'm going to throw it away. But yeah, how often do you guys deep clean your pots and pans? Let me know in the comment section below. And that is it with this video. If you guys prefer short form videos, please follow me on Instagram or my TikTok. That's where you find shorter videos for cleaning motivation. So that is it for me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please consider subscribing to the channel, and look forward to more cleaning motivation, cleaning content, decluttering videos. I will be seeing you next on Friday. So I do upload twice a week. Well, I do try to upload twice a week. But if you do prefer shorter form content, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok for daily cleaning motivation. But that's it. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you soon. Bye.